Today we talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your Redfin app. So you just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first, you just go down here, click here on my Redfin here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down, just click on settings here, just click on it. Then you come to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. Then you click on app notifications, just click on it. So then you come to next step here, come here to show reminders here. Click in this sign or this color. Like you see color is gone, that's me scheduled show reminders disable with us now. That's all you have to do. I wish know you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.